Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. Today's gonna be a really brief video. I've kind of had a busy day and I'm just trying to make a short video here, kind of talk about the markets real quick. Haven't had a chance to really look in depth in the markets. My day's been pretty crazy. I've been busy all day, but basically the day started out pretty much in the red, which was pretty interesting. We had a pretty good pullback this morning for the first part of the morning, and then as we moved into lunch, the market started to make a comeback. So that was pretty interesting from the standpoint of the different indexes. Early this morning, everything looks like it was pulling back pretty significantly. Looked like that Apple pullback is maybe an early indication of what's going on with the markets, because when Apple pulls back, it affects a lot of the markets. S&P 500, Nasdaq, it's heavily weighted with Apple. So whenever Apple's pulling back, those indexes have a tendency to pull back a little also. So you might want to watch out for that in the next couple of days. But like I said, we had an early pullback this morning. It was pulling back pretty significantly. Then, close to lunchtime, it started to make a move in the upwards direction. So we'll see what the indexes do tomorrow. A lot of stocks, from my quick glance at them, pulled back today. The one good thing was Apple was up a little bit. I think it was up 0.5%, or finished the day up 0.5%. So maybe it may be moving back above the 50-day moving average soon. But if not, you definitely want to pay attention to that. There's a chance it could be moving down to the 200-day moving average. But we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. Tomorrow should be really interesting. The one thing we did talk about was TLT yesterday. TLT moved up a little bit today. I think 1%. And also, another quick one on the UNG. UNG started out in the red today, but I think it finished up like 1.6%, something like that. So, that would be the fourth consecutive day that has been in the positive, and roughly up about 14% since Thursday. So that's something I'm watching. I'm paying close attention to. It looks like maybe it may be hitting a bottom. It possibly moved above the 200-day moving average, or maybe it moved above its 9-day moving average today on the daily, which makes it a possible opportunity right now if it's at the bottom. One thing I did notice, we haven't talked too much about the Bitcoin, but GBDC was up a little bit. Grayscale Bitcoin was up a little bit. That might be something you may be interested in looking at, just to check out what that's doing currently. Bitcoin hasn't been moving too much up or down. It seems like it's in kind of a consolidation pattern, and then possibly it looked like it was moving down, but has a little momentum going for it right now. One thing I have been watching for are the miners, kind of watching what they're doing. They had a nice little move today to the upside. Couple of weeks ago, maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago, they had a nice move from where they was and went on a nice little run for about a week, and then pulled back recently. And then today I noticed they were up pretty good, a couple percent, 3, 4, 5% with the different miners. Some of the miners that I was paying attention to is Mara, which is a miner that mines for Bitcoin, and then Riot, RIOT, is one you might want to watch for. Like I said, Mara, MARA, is a symbol that you may want to check out, and check out the charts and see how it's doing. Another one I watch is Hive, HIVE. That one looks like it may be has a little momentum going its way. And then also BITF is another one that you may want to check out. Like I said, these are all miners. You don't necessarily have to buy into Bitcoin when Bitcoin is moving up, because Bitcoin is $30,000 roughly currently, or it's right around 29,000 and some change. But if you don't have the funds to buy into Bitcoin currently, you can look at some of these other plays. just to look at. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing your opinion when I'm out there looking at the market during the day, sharing what I see. So once again, anything you do, make sure you run it by your financial advisor, your accountant, so you make a good decision in your investments or with your portfolios. Well, I'm about to end this video just because I gotta get going. I'm finishing up the day. Been super busy. It's been super hot out here. I'm ready to have me a little cocktail or drink just to relax and cool off a little bit. But thank you for tuning into the video. I appreciate you watching. You know, if you like the content, sorry, not a lot of content today. I've just been super busy. I got a couple busy days coming up, but I'm gonna still try and make, you know, a short video along the way, just to add to my channel. So, you know, if you have a chance, check it out. I appreciate it. Once again, you know, if you like the video, if you find it informative, maybe you can hit that like button for me. Maybe it might bring more, put me in the algorithms where people come and check out this channel. But anyways, you know, it's been a great day. I'm about to finish the day today. It's been super busy. You guys have a wonderful day. I love you. Peace. Have a great one. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take it easy. Bye.